If you've tried to make money online and nothing worked, it's not because you're lazy. It's because no one told you how it actually works. You watched the videos. You saw people saying, start freelancing, start a YouTube channel, make passive income, so you tried. You signed up. Maybe you even applied to a few jobs. And then, nothing. No replies, no income, just frustration. And slowly, you start thinking, maybe this is not for me. But here's the truth. Making money online is not about trying random things. It's about understanding how the system actually works. There are only 3 ways people make money online. You offer a service. You create content. You sell a product. That's it. And most people fail because they try all 3 without mastering even one. If you go to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you'll see thousands of people earning from simple services like customer support, social media posting, basic video editing. These are not genius level skills. These are learnable skills. So the problem is not, you don't have what it takes. The real problem is, you're trying to win without choosing a lane. So instead of jumping from one idea to another, let's slow this down. Because before you choose a side hustle, you need to choose what actually fits you. Get a pen and paper for this, because this part can literally save you months of trial and error. Step 1. What are you already doing in your current job that you're good at? Not perfect, just comfortable doing. This could be writing emails, creating presentations, talking to clients, organizing tasks. These are not small things. These are transferable skills. Step 2. What do people usually ask your help for? At work, or even in your personal life, that's a strong signal of what you can offer as a service. Step 3. What kind of work do you not hate doing? Because let's be honest, you don't need to love it, but you do need to tolerate it consistently. Step 4. How much time can you realistically commit? 1 hour a day? 2 hours on weekends? Be honest. Because your strategy depends on your time. Step 5. Do you prefer working behind the scenes or in front of people? If you don't like being visible, then faceless content or freelancing may be better for you. Step 6. Do you want fast income, or are you willing to wait for long-term growth? Services means faster income. Content means slower but scalable. Products means somewhere in between. There is no right answer, only what fits your situation. Step 7. What problem can you help solve? Even in a simple way. Because income comes from one thing, being useful. Now look at your answers. Because by this point, you should already start seeing a direction, service, content, or product. Not because someone told you, but because it fits your life. Now that you have a direction, let me make this simple for you. Step 1. Choose one path. For example, your need is to earn quickly, then you start with services. Step 2. Pick one skill that you can offer as a service. Example, Creating design materials or promotional posters using Canva. Creating videos and video editing using CapCut. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio of your output. This does not to be perfect. It should be just enough to show what you can do. Step 4. Go to Fiverr or Upwork or other remote job sites that are looking for the services that you are offering. Apply and pursue consistently. You can target small business owners who are open to accepting talents like you. Don't apply only once nor twice. Apply 10, 20, even 50 times. Because this is not luck. This is a numbers game. Before you leave this video, I want you to do something, not later, right now. If this message spoke to you, if you've been thinking about changing your financial life, type this in the comments. I'm starting. Not tomorrow. Not someday. I'm starting. Because the moment you say it, you stop being someone who is stuck and you become someone who is moving. Now listen closely. If you want to build income, if you want to learn skills that actually matter, if you want to create your freedom years, subscribe to this channel. This is not just content for motivation. This is training. Every video here is designed to help you break out of financial stress, build real income streams, and take back control of your future. And one more thing. Share this video with one person who you know is struggling financially, but not talking about it. Because sometimes one video can change someone's direction. You are not too late. You are not too old. And this is just the beginning. I'll see you in the next one.